So.
What's his name?
Babe, watch out, he's taking pictures.
Okay.
Oh, you're not in the way. I mean, I got it.
Yeah, just wipe off the.
Yeah, it's never been dropped. Never been hit.
How many miles does it have on it?
16.
16,000?
Never been hit.
Okay.
Never
Been misabused.
been ran out.
Yeah.
Never been ran out of gas.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Yeah. I mean, we had. Was it this bike or your bike that sat too long and we had to replace the
The other
starter?
bike.
The seat
then
still
these
looks
have-
pretty good
Oh,
condition.
it's very, very comfortable.
Yeah, that's what
And
I was
then
telling your
there's
brother.
these have storage. That's all my.
Oh, okay.
All my
There's a
junk.
storage.
But yeah, storage here. And behind here, if you take it off, there's a tool bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
Behind here, so like if he was to break down there, but we've never had to use them because we've never broken down.
You'd have to buy more accessories. You know, then buy a tool bag. And
It's got floorboards, which is very, very. This is more comfortable with the floorboards.
Oh,
so
yeah.
You can just rest your feet.
I like this. I want to buy it.
And then, you know, on the highway, kick these out so you
Yeah.
can stretch out. I need
Yeah,
it
it's
because I'm a
really
little
nice.
taller.
all right, babe, I'm gonna start it.
All right, he's gonna start it up right now, so you can hear what it sounds like.
Oh, she wants to start it. Okay.
Okay, she's gonna start.
Is it neutral?